Hello and welcome to the session. Strategic Change LO1. Compare ways in which change impacts on an organization's strategy and operations. How does change impact an organization's strategy and operations? This video explores strategic change, from anticipation and planning to execution. Discover how leadership and strategic interventions shape successful organizational transformation. The goal of strategic change is to prepare organizations for transformation. Students learn to anticipate, plan, and deliver change effectively. They gain skills to maximize benefits and minimize risks. Leadership plays a crucial role in responding to change drivers. This prepares students to contribute to change initiatives. Change is a constant requirement in business. It can be perceived as positive or negative. Organizational change includes structural, strategic, and process changes. Internal and external drivers influence change. Tools like PEST and SWOT analyses help identify these drivers. Management is about achieving goals effectively. Peter Drucker emphasized the role of management in social history. Management involves tasks, discipline, and people. In hospitality, it coordinates tasks, technology, and people. Effective management leads to successful strategy execution. Leadership is crucial for organizational change. Transactional leaders focus on tasks and rewards. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate. They anticipate and prepare for future needs. Strategic leaders are central to strategy development. Change agents facilitate organizational transformation. They diagnose problems and implement solutions. Internal change agents include managers and employees. External agents are consultants. They focus on improving organizational effectiveness. Change agents need leadership skills. They must innovate and collaborate. Professionalism is key to performance. Openness to collaboration is crucial. Cantor identified essential skills for managing change. Visionary leaders inspire others to reach their potential. They convey a sense of mission and direction. Charisma and communication are vital traits. They provide certainty in uncertain situations. Visionary leaders create a sense of belonging. Cotter and Schlesinger identified change management strategies. Participation involves employee input. Education and communication reinforce other approaches. Power and coercion use formal authority. Facilitation supports employees through change. Employees often resist change due to self-interest. Misunderstanding and lack of information are common. Low tolerance for change hinders progress. Different assessments of the situation cause disagreements. Effective communication can address these issues. Strategic drift occurs when strategy misaligns with the environment. Incremental steps may fail to keep pace with market changes. Assumptions about new markets can lead to mismanagement. This results in a lack of clear direction. Transformational change becomes necessary in crises. Correct. The change kaleidoscope helps design context-sensitive change. It includes outer, middle, and inner rings. Contextual features like time and scope are assessed. Design choices guide change management approaches. Roles and interventions are assigned accordingly. GlaxoSmithKline exemplifies successful change management. They view change as ongoing, not episodic. This allows for realignment over transformation. Organizational development units support this process. High readiness for change is maintained. Competitive pressure often triggers strategic change. Regulatory pressure from governments can also be a factor. First mover advantage motivates proactive change. Rapid responses are necessary in crises. Strategic change must be timely and decisive. Balogun and Hope Haley emphasize context in change. The model includes strategic, contextual, and design choices. Contextual features like diversity and capability are assessed. Design choices include change path and interventions. This approach ensures tailored change management. Effective leadership is pivotal in strategic change. Leaders must inspire and motivate teams. They anticipate future needs and prepare accordingly. Strategic leaders are central to organizational success. Their vision guides the change process. Communication is key in managing change. It addresses misunderstandings and resistance. Employees need clarity on change benefits. Open dialogue fosters acceptance and cooperation. Effective communication leads to successful change implementation. Change paths clarify types and extents of change. Interventions include education and communication. Management styles vary from collaborative to coercive. Assigning roles ensures accountability. These elements shape effective change strategies. Challenges in change include strategic drift and resistance. Leaders must address these proactively. Clear vision and communication are essential. Adaptability and readiness are crucial for success. Overcoming challenges ensures smooth transformation. External factors like competition drive change. Regulatory pressures demand compliance. Economic shifts influence strategic decisions. Organizations must adapt to technological advancements. Understanding these factors aids strategic planning. Strategic change is an ongoing process. Organizations must remain agile and responsive. Leaders play a vital role in guiding change. Continuous learning and adaptation are key. The future demands proactive and strategic thinking. In conclusion, comparing the ways in which change impacts an organization's strategy and operations is essential for managing change effectively. Strategic change influences long-term direction, competitive positioning, and organizational goals, while operational change affects processes, systems, structures, and day-to-day activities. Understanding how different types of change interact allows organizations to align strategy with operations, minimize disruption, and maintain performance. This awareness supports informed decision-making, effective change management, and long-term organizational sustainability. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688.